Hey guys, week 5, we finally made it. This is the exciting week where we get to see you guys starting putting things together. We've had 4 weeks to set a foundation and be able to talk to you a little bit about what's expected in terms of the course and what's expected in terms of your submissions. So very exciting to have you guys be able to do this. We are going to start as always with your weekly overview. So if you've made it to this portion, you'll be watching the video, the YouTube video, the overview. The next tab I have on here is your basic information in terms of what I want you guys to do. Remember, for this mini lecture, it does not have to be an academic topic. In fact, it's probably better if you pick a non-academic topic. This is really more about practice and ideally getting comfortable on the video and being able to, kind of get into the mode of teaching and not necessarily trying to do an analysis of content you may not be as familiar with. So you definitely want to pick something you really like and that you know. I've had students in the past do a whole variety of things. I've had students do videos on how to build websites, cooking recipes. I've had them do a video game where they're playing a video game. I mean, a whole number of things. So really pick any topic that you like and then do a video, right? So you got to do a 10-minute video. And so it needs to be no less than 9 minutes and no more than 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So make sure you're in that sweet spot between 9 minutes and 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So if you're under the 9-minute mark, you'll get points off. If you're over the 10-minute, 30 seconds, you'll get points off. Just some pointers for you here. Again, this is your first opportunity to be able to get into things. This next tab is the submission, where you'll be submitting either the embedded file or a link to YouTube. That seems to work a little easier if you just embed it into your YouTube channel. Send me the link and then I can access that way. But if you prefer to embed it onto there, you can do that as well. This week, not a lot of other lecture. It's about really you focusing on the video, making sure you're incorporating a lot of the stuff we've talked about thus far, like your goals, objectives, all those things we've kind of talked about leading up to this week, so you can put it all together and start it making a really effective video, right? So you'll focus exclusively on your video. I will be available as always via email. You do have an exit assessment, but again, not super stressful for you guys. It really is more about reflecting on how it went, how you felt you did, more of a reflective exercise. So nothing that you should be stressed about, really more an opportunity to do that. Please don't forget to do that. I have a lot of students that get so engulfed into the lecture recording that they forget to do the exit assessment. So please don't forget to do those. To add a little bit less stress to you guys, I also added a tab with different software you can use to be able to do your video. I think the two that are the easiest to do are Zoom, which you should have a free version of it through your Laverne account. You can just basically use Zoom, do a screen share, and record it. And then once you save it, you can send me that file, or you can upload it onto YouTube and send me the link. The other thing that you can use is one that I use all the time, Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free software, pretty user-friendly, pretty easy to use as well. I use it. It's free as long as your videos are less than 15 minutes. It doesn't cost you anything. All the links here are tutorials, so hopefully you guys find them helpful. And again, you're free to use any software that you like. Some people have just used their cell phone and just videotape them showing the presentation. So whatever works for you, as long as I can see you presenting and being able to understand you being in that context of presentation as if you were in front of students. Okay, so that's basically the gist for this week. Again, really excited to see what you guys come up with, and I will talk to you during the week if you guys have any questions, but I'm sure everyone will do very well. Take care, guys. Have a great week.